Many people aren't aware that Arizona is a home of so many beautiful gems.
Sammy Fine Jewelry is the home of the Arizona Amethyst, the Arizona Peridot, and the Arizona Anthill Garnet. We also specialize in other exotic stones such as rubellites, spessartites, Tahitian pearls.
We specialize in Arizona gemstones, notably the Arizona Four Peaks Amethyst. In its gem quality, it shows beautiful magenta red flashes unlike any other amethyst.
There's no motorized vehicles allowed into the mine, so the miners have to hike in and out, stay there for 2 to 3 weeks at a time, and all of the amethyst rough is helicoptered out of the mine. So it's a very expensive process, and we get a beautiful gemstone in return. The Arizona Peridot has a more intense lime green color.
It is said to be a space stone, as it is the only gemstone that has been found in meteorites that hit the Earth.
The Arizona Anthill Garnet is also called the Arizona Ruby. It has a deep, deep red. It's actually mined by ants. Little ants carry the garnet deposit underground in their tunnels, and they push it up on top of the ant hills. And since ants aren't very strong, they can only carry, certain amounts of the garnet up to the top of their ant hill. So generally we don't see large sizes.
We are a custom designed jewelry store.
Sammy custom designs rings, earrings, pendants, bracelets. We can design any piece of jewelry in any metal type. Our designers are unique. They create one-of-a-kind pieces, so each design looks different from each other. Once a design is decided upon, then we have our jeweler in the back. He carves a wax. The customer comes in. We show him the wax, and we can make any adjustments from there. Once the wax is approved, we cast the piece and then, finish it and put all the stones in it, and it's done.
We carry one of the largest jewelry inventories in the state, with over $1 million worth of exotic gemstones, everything from diamonds to tanzanites, rubies, sapphires, emeralds, made up in beautiful, fashionable pieces of jewelry. We have an extensive diamond department and can help you with all your diamond needs, whether it be for anniversaries, weddings, engagements. All of our repairs are done in-house. We have 3 full-time craftsmen, 1 watchman. At night, your valuables all go in a Class 1 bank vault that insures up to $2 million. So your valuables are always safe at Sammy Fine Jewelry.
We have a very fun environment. It's not stuffy. We have a very open, airy store. People come because they have a good time.
Sammy Fine Jewelry has a client base from all over the United States. With over 30 years of jewelry designing, we've created many happy customers that keep returning. Their children return, and their children's children return.
Not only do they purchase the loose gemstones from us, but they seek out Sammy designs because they know that they want something nobody else has. Not only do they want the Arizona Amethyst, the Arizona Peridot, the Arizona Garnet, but they want something that's custom and different from what all their friends' jewelry looks like.